Standard deviation of predictive distribution of query points using a pipeline. I am trying to do a simple regression task using a pipeline to assign the degree of the polynomial used for the regression, degree equals 3. So I define, and then the fitting, and finally the prediction bit. Bayesian range of the scikitlearn has a return _std parameter for its predict method that when set to true, it returns standard deviation of predictive distribution of query points. Is there any way that I can get the standard deviation array using a pipeline?
You need to install the latest version of scikitlearn from their GitHub repository. Next you would simply need to use partial from functools. I have used the example similar to the one mentioned in Bayesian ridge regression docs. Note: apparently this was a bug in scikitlearn's pipeline module as described here. It is now fixed in the latest version. Reference: How partial works in Python.
If you wanted to see more, please consider subscribing.